Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to make Roblox thumbnails on mobile. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now enter the photo shoot game and go inside green screen room. Now tap on the photo pose button at the bottom and change your player style to however you like. After that, select the clear screen button and take a screenshot. Now close this game and open any other game that you would like to use as a background. I will open the Bee Tycoon game. Now zoom out to a good distance and take a screenshot. After that, open the Safari app on your mobile device and search for YouTube thumbnail size. Download the file and open PixArt. Now add this image as a base. You can also apply some filters or blur if you like, and then minimize the PixArt app. Again, go back to the browser and search for background eraser. Erase the background of our model and import it on our PixArt canvas. Now place it wherever you like and add some text, and your thumbnail is complete. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.